Hello everybody, this is Shankar from System-Based Labs. In the last video, we saw something critical. AI is not the product, data is. We saw how bad data doesn't fail loudly, it fails convincingly. Now let's move forward, because once you have data, the next question is, what kind of learning are we actually using? Forget the complicated definitions. There are only three practical ways machines learn: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. That's it. Three approaches, three different ways of finding patterns. But here's the key. Each one solves a different kind of problem, and each one breaks in its own way. Let's start with the most common one, supervised learning. This is simple. You give the system data, and you also give it the correct answers. Example, emails labeled as spam or not spam. Images labeled as cat or dog. The model learns, when I see this pattern, this is the answer. So it's learning from labeled data. Sounds powerful. And it is. But here's where it breaks. If your labels are wrong, or if your data is biased, the model learns the mistake perfectly. Now remove the answers. That's unsupervised learning. Here you give data, but no labels. The system tries to find structure on its own. Example, customer segmentation, grouping similar users together based on behavior. No correct answer, just patterns. But here's the problem. The patterns it finds may not mean anything useful. It can group things logically, but not meaningfully. It finds structure, not necessarily value. Now the third type, reinforcement learning. Here the system learns by trial and error. It takes actions, gets feedback, reward or penalty, and adjusts. Improves over time. Example, game playing AI, self-driving systems in controlled environments. It improves over time, but here's where it breaks. It needs a well-defined reward system and a safe environment to learn. In the real world, those are not always clear. Now step back. All three approaches work well under the right conditions, but fail when data is poor, context is missing, reality changes, supervised fails with bad labels, unsupervised fails with meaningless patterns, reinforcement fails with unclear feedback, different methods. Same truth, the system is only as good as what it learns from. From a tester's lens, ask, what assumptions is this making? Where will it break? From a business analyst lens, ask, is this the right approach for this problem? Or are we forcing the wrong method? Because choosing the wrong type is the first mistake. Let's pause and look at what we learned in this video. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Each one solves a different problem. Each one fails in different ways. And most importantly, there is no best method. Only the right method for the right problem. This is video 4 of 20 in our series, AI ML Micro Series, designed for testers, validation specialists, and analysts. In the next video, video 5 of 20, we tackle a very common trap: accuracy, and why it can be misleading. If you choose the right learning approach, you avoid the wrong problems. This is Shankar from System-Based Labs. Good luck and goodbye.